welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple and rustic Valentine's Day wreath using a mixture of things from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So stay tuned and I will show you how to make it. Alrighty, y'all, let us get started. So what you're going to need, one of these wreaths from Dollar Tree, and I really like these because they're very rustic looking, and y'all know I adore rustic things. Now this is a tag that was on it, bamboo wreath, bamboo, okay, but that's the tag that was on it, okay. And I'll flip it over right there in case you need to have your store order them. But anyway, I'd seen these in my store right around Christmas time, and then I went back yesterday and got one. I have that. I also have a package of this 9-foot berry garland, also from Dollar Tree. This is red. They have several different colors, but I'm going to use the red one. And this here is a Christmas ornament from Walmart, $1.98. And of course, I got it the day after Christmas on clearance for 50% off, but it is a pretty heavy little ornament here. It has the word love on both sides. And then it comes with this red ribbon. Now, I don't exactly know how I want to attach this, so I have some floral wire. You may or may not need this, and I wish that I had a different color other than green, but this is what I have available. So first off, let us open this here and this jewelry here. You see my awesome bracelet and my awesome ring. This is from Paparazzi Jewelry, $5 each. I love Paparazzi. I wear Paparazzi quite a bit, and I used to be a consultant with them back in 2008 and then got out of it, but I'm back in it again and I love it. I'll have a link. I can't even get this open. I have a link in the description box, and I'll pin a comment where you can go onto my site and you can order some for yourself. This is just all kinds of tangled up, and I can see, let's see, there it is. There's the end. The other package wasn't as difficult to open. I couldn't find the end on this one. All right, so now that we have this untangled from its own clutches, what I want to do is just wrap this around the wreath frame. I'm going to call it a frame. Let's get this out of the way so that I don't bump it. See, I thought about just going around this way, but no. I'm just going to take it and start wrapping around and around. That's what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to leave that right there, and then I'm going to use a piece of this floral wire here in a second, and we can secure it. Now, I did buy, excuse me, I did buy several packages of this here, several, because I didn't know exactly how many I was going to use. And I'm just taking this and wrapping it around. There we go. So let's go back to where I started right here. Okay, and I'm just going to take a little piece of this and I'm going to secure it to the frame here. Where did my wire cutters go? I don't know. I'm using my scissors. Yes, my scissors are screaming at me. But anyway, let's zoom in and see how, right here, this is the end. So I'm just going to take this wire and try to feed it up right there. You're not going to see the color of the wire because it's going to be on the back, but still it's bugging me. And I'm just twisting it really well. Now this garland here is wired, so it will form to your wreath as you're wrapping it around it. But I just wanted to make sure and fasten it down so that it doesn't pop loose. I know. I'm using my beloved scissors for this. But yeah, I'm just going to wrap it around the frame like this, and I'm going to do this all the way around the frame. Now I'm going to see how much of this I'm going to use, and of course when I come back I'll tell you if I use more than one package. But hold on 1 minute. Okay, so I have worked my way all the way around, and you know what? They're just the tiniest little section up here. If I hadn't have wound them so tightly all the way around, one roll of the berry garland would have been absolutely plenty. But you know what? It's okay because I want to put a bow here. I'm not exactly sure what kind of bow I want to put. I'm still thinking about that. I still have to go through my ribbon and stuff over here and see what kind of bow I can make. But now let's take a look at our ornament. That's dented just a little bit right there. So yeah, I think this will be the better side that I want facing forward. So let's cut that off. Like I said, I want to keep the ribbon. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a piece of the floral wire and I'll attach it to the wreath form like that. So we need to go to the back. Everybody flip over. All right. So let's see. Yeah. And this is tied right here. I'm just going to run the wire up through there. And then just run it up through that right there. And then we'll just tighten it down. Like so. And then we'll trim that away. And then all we have left to do is just create a bow and get it fastened on there. I hate the noise this thing's making, clanging on the table. And then we'll be done. Really fast and easy. All right, so let me look through my ribbon right quick and we'll make a bow. Okay, so I just whipped up this bow right quick. I do have a separate video that shows you how to make this bow. Now for this one, I did not want to put tails on it because I didn't want it to hang down and cover up the heart. And then if I cut it really short, I didn't think that that looked very nice. So I'm just going to put this bow right here, and then we're just going to glue it up here in the center. Like so. Now I'm going to pick it up just for a second. I want to make sure of how this is placed. Okay, that looks okay. Then I'm going to glue it down. Then I'm going to get the loops into place and make sure everything looks the way I want it to look. And I think I'm going to call that done. I don't want a whole lot on this. I don't want a lot on this. So I think the berries and then the ornament and then just the bow, I think that is absolutely fine for how I want this to look. But I hope that you enjoyed it. Fairly quick and easy to make. Anyway, this ribbon, where did I get this ribbon? I'm looking, where'd the spool go? This came from Walmart. This was Walmart ribbon, okay? But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you would, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!